video I want to talk about how the control can automatically reverse a toolpath for you if you're going to mirror image something. Here I've got a lines and arcs contour that is just drawing our bicycle chain shape that we use in our training class. And now let's say I wanted to mirror image that. I wanted to do the opposite hand, but to do that I want to make sure that my toolpath automatically reverses, so when I'm cutting on the other side I'm not conventional milling. So the first thing we want to do is we want to go in here and mirror image this. So we do that with a pattern. I'll insert a block before, I'll do pattern, mirror image. I want to keep the original. I'm going to mirror this at a 6 inches away from 0 at 90 degrees. And I will insert a pattern end at the end. So we're going to pattern this. We're going to take this mill contour left and mirror image it. Now if I go and look at this now, you'll see that it automatically does it for me. It went ahead and reversed the toolpath. So I'm climb milling here, and on the reverse side it's automatically climb milling. The reason for that is if I go back into my contour block, we now have this reverse mirrored setting. It automatically assumes that you want to reverse it if you're mirroring around along the x-axis like that. But if we didn't, we can simply set that to no. Now when we go watch it, we'll see that it climb mills here and then conventional mills here, so it didn't reverse the toolpath. So again, something else that WinMax makes very easy for us when we need to do.